Hello everybody! Today we will make an elegant shiny anniversary greeting card because as I was going through my stuff to figure out the next project, I found two items that go very well together, so I wanted to share this with you too. The first object is this shiny red cardboard, which is so cute and I've had it for a while now, so it's time I use it in a project. The second item is this silver decoration band that has these tiny shiny crystals. You typically see these on dresses, but nobody says I can't use it here as well. The first step is joining my cardboard with the band, which I will put in a diagonal and then I will cut it to size. Then I will use my hot glue gun to stick it in place using a thin layer of glue. Be careful not to burn yourself as you press gently the trinket on the cardboard. I then got rid of the extra material by cutting it closely to the edge of the cardboard. I will do the exact same thing with the remaining two corners, covering them in a triangular pattern and removing the excess. This is actually a beautiful item as it is, but I want to add some quilling magic too, and I have here 5 white petals that I prepared a while ago, in the exact same way as the petals from the autumn decoration from a few weeks ago, whose video you can find by accessing the card on the screen or the link in the description. I decided not to arrange them in a flower pattern, but instead, as you can see here, because I believe it looks way better. I also added some white and pinkish swirls, and I did not have a plan for this particular arrangement, but I got them to fit in a heart shape to complement my next pieces. For gluing all these, I alternated between the paper glue and the hot glue, depending on the size and the thickness of each item. As this is a love-themed greeting card, I added 4 dark red hearts to every corner. Also, I used a cute heart-shaped Swarovski crystal and another 3 heart-shaped trinkets to add on the petal arrangement. When everything got glued, the card was ready. Do you like the result? If you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. It will help a lot, and also you will be able to see my next videos, and who knows, maybe you will decide to try and make some of my projects by yourself. As you can see, in order to keep the elegance and a beautiful and clean aspect, I used only a few color shades. If I think more about it, actually there are only shades of red, or if I really want to keep it technical, these are tints of red because the colors are red to white, not red to black. You can simply take a look at the color theory to figure everything out. So, as I was saying, keep it simple, don't use too many colors, and you will end up with a beautiful project. Also, be very careful with the glue, try to work as tidy as you can, and don't forget that the hot glue gun is very hot. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.